Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw a cute spider. So let's start. The first step is to make two big circles. A semicircle line in each eye. And some extra circles. Now two small circles for the other eyes. Now let's do the spider legs. From the center going up and down and then up again. Two small ones in the mouth. Now a line that goes around all the head. The other legs. From a side, going down, then upwards. Small line at the back to complete the body. Now you can add very small lines around all the body, the head and the legs. Now you can make the eyebrows. Going from a point, going down, then up again and fill in black. Finally, we made a web. Make a line from the mouth to a point, and then from the mouth you make several lines, two different angles, and connect all the points. Now some extra lines to create the web. And that's it, we're done! If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!